damn it. I didn't, So do remember, tyres is completely a personal thing. There is so much opinion on tyres, so much... So today is one of those funny weather days. A couple of miles down the road, people are saying there's snow. There's been light drizzle of rain, and there's also been cold, but then the sun breaks through. So, what gear to wear? What gear to wear? Welcome to Schoolboy Errors with YoDomCat. So we have just set off, and we haven't strapped, and we haven't fastened our chin strap. We've just gone to pull over, we found neutral, and then we banged it in blue. We then started our bike, went to pull off, and we had our side stand down. I mean, I am an experienced rider, honest.